Hello guys, Mona testnet is live, and in this video I'm talking about how you can position yourself for this airdrop and everything you need to know. So the first step is to click the link in the description box to go to the Mona testnet home page, which is this. And once you are in this home page, you're actually meant to connect your wallet. You're actually meant to connect your wallet, and for me I've put my wallet already, and for you just look for please connect your wallet. You can simply let me just disconnect my wallet so that I can show you guys how to do it. So just tap on connect wallet, and you can connect any of this wallet. But for me, you make use of OKS wallet, so I'll be connecting my OKS wallet. If you tap connect wallet, automatically it's going to connect and it's going to switch to Mona testnet, which is very much easier. As you can see, I've put in my wallet. The next step is for you to go over to your wallet, and simply all you need to do is simply copy your Monad wallet address so that you can get the Monad testnet tokens, which is very important. Without the testnet tokens, you can't actually interact or carry the testnet, because this particular project requires it to be interactive with a whole lot of projects. So as you can see, the home page is a place where you can get testnet token. So you just simply paste your wallet address on this place, and you can tap on get testnet. As you can see on by this side, and claim already, please try again later. So I already claim, so you can claim every 12 hours get. So for sake of this, we're using phone. You can actually use your OKS wallet on your phone. You can simply add your Monad on your phone and use it get. So you tap on add Monad testnet and tap on, you can use any of this wallet. You can use this, you can also add it manually. Most of these wallets already have Monad already get, so you can simply type it on ChatGPT or your local video how to add this testnet to your OKS wallet in mobile, so that you can use your mobile devices to do this. So guys, the testnet token that they're going to give you will not be enough for it. It will not be enough, so you need to source for more Monad testnet tokens, and actually created a Twitter post where you can get more Monad get. It's very important you have more of this testnet token. Without a testnet token, you can actually interact with this. So I'm going on to my Twitter page so that I can show you guys how you can get Monad tokens, so that Monad tokens for you to use to interact to this whole ecosystem. And guys, before I continue, if I need to F4, do it to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon. So I'm going to click my profile now, and you can try to follow me on S. So the way is it, I made a post about it on I can get Monad tokens. So let me just look for it. Just give me a second. Meanwhile guys, as I'm doing this, if you find it to the F4, please do it to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon. Okay guys, this is it. So to interact with the Monad ecosystem, you need testnet tokens, and on this particular tweet I drop up to 5 ways you can get it. The first way is on the Monad testnet page, which I have just shown you how to get. You can also get it on this particular website. You can get it on this particular website. If you're giving 0.1 moon, you get all we're doing is simply open up this particular website up. So let me just copy the link, head over back to my Chrome browser, and just copy it. So I'm doing this really fast. I'll just do one or two to show you guys I can get Monad testnet token. It's very much easy. So if I show you on this, then we can head back. So maybe guys, if I need this to F4, please do it to like, subscribe, turn on the bell icon. So guys, as I was saying, log in with Telegram. So I'll be logging in Telegram. So right now we just type in a mobile number, Telegram number on this place, and click on next. So guys, I just type in my Telegram number. I need to head back to the Telegram to confirm this. They're going to send me a text message. Please give me a notification. I just have to confirm it, then head back and confirm this. So I'm logged into my account. So once you log in, what you need to do is to tap on get faucet, and if you do that, you can get 0.02. As you can see, I've requested and I've gotten it. You can see that 0.02. All I need to do is to send the faucet that I've gotten to my wallet, you understand? So tap on send. So one thing you should know is that you can't actually send out the old 0.02 because you need to pay gas fee. So you just have to send out 0.01, 0.01 or 0.015 or 19. Then on this place, paste in your Monad wallet address that you already copy. So I'm going to paste it here. So it's going to give network fee, and we'll tap on send. So guys, this is one way you can also get it. And so maybe let's put 0.15, 0.015. Then this place, let's put this and tap on send. Sometimes these sites adds up, but you have to keep on trying it. And tap on send. Normally it's going to work, but I don't know why it's acting up. But then, as you can see, let's go back. There are other ways you can get. You can also get through OKX wallet. You can get from the AHA wallet, and other ways you can get is also through our Twitter. I don't want to spend more time. Not to waste time talking about this. You can actually start dropping your wallet address on these people's tweet that are sharing free month on Twitter, and possibly you're going to get free month coin. Yes, those people are actually kind of sharing the month coin. So if you have enough month token, maybe 0.5 or so, the next thing you need to do is to actually interact. So if you have enough more coin tokens, the next thing you need to do is you actually interact with this particular platform. So there are a lot of project video on this, and the first thing to do is that you actually need to do this. Let me show you. So you actually need to scroll down to this and actually buy any of these particular token you see right here. You must do this every single day. You buy this and you sell on Uniswap. So you can simply tap on the amount you want to spend in buying it. Let's say to spend 0.05 or 0.09 on this. We tap on buy, and they are going to send me a message for me to sign. This is pretty much easy to do. So I'm going to tap on confirm, and I'm going to buy this, and you can also sell it too on Uniswap. You get. So this is how it works. Very easy. So let me just wait for this to come up so that I can confirm this and move on. You get. And also this particular project you're seeing right here, when you do is for you to interact with this particular project on a daily basis. You get. Can do this project on a daily basis. So let's see if you are being of execution. So you just need to buy this, send a message. Then this particular project, you can easily do this. Let's see governance. So we tap on launch app. You get launch app. You do complete the task. It's very much easy. As long as you have your Monad testnet token, you can interact with any of this project. So this is my account, and all you need to do is to come to this place and connect your wallet. Get. Sometimes you don't have to give this particular site some time because they do add up again, but they are going to. So as you can see, you need to connect your wallet and wait for it connected. So now it's connected. All we're doing is simply, as you can see, all we're doing is click on this, ensure you swap it to Monad testnet, and once it's showing active, then you can simply come to this place, notification, and you can see a lot of tasks that you need to do. I've completed all of these tasks yet. So you just simply click on the first one. I'm going to click on the first, it's going to take it to where you just complete it. Click on the second one and stuff like that. It's just meaning this unlock CVE. I've not completed. And to this, I'm going to click on it and it's going to that page where I will complete it. Get. So unlocking CVE, I need to first lock CVE first. That can unlock. So on this place where I can lock saving. Automatically I was given some tokens, so I'm going to tap on the durations, can put continuous, put 12 months. So I'm going to put in 12 continuous and tap on create lock. To do that, you want to sign the contract and stuff. These are basically in touch with this particular project. So guys, not to actually make this video too long, this first video is actually a guide. We encourage everyone to follow me on X, because actually drop link to project that you can easily interact with yet. So for this, I will now come back to this and click on manage and tap on early unlock, because normally I'm meant to wait for duration of 12 months when I can unlock this, but as you can see, I'm meant to unlock it like I mean right now, so that I can actually complete that particular task. So I'm just going to tap on unlocking it, right? So I'm going to tap on confirm and just give this a moment. So as I say, I've done this, I've submitted it. They are kind of requiring a feedback from me. I'm going to do this later. So check notification, see if, or you can see all check or the reach me of this particular task. Going to do is simply come back and go to the next particular platform and click on it and interact with it. And keep on doing this, get. So guys, this is basically the first video on how to actually interact on this on my telegram, on my S page. I recommend you follow my S page, because my S page I particularly I'm going to post major platform that you can actually interact with. You can see these are the most platform, like the most particular one that you can interact with. You can interact with this particular one, you can interact with a lot of them. I have bookmarked them. I'm going to tweet about them. I'm going to do is simply come to my Twitter page. I'm going to see we are platform to interact with. I'm going to do is simply interact with these particular platforms. Get. So there are a whole lot of plenty. You can interact with these partner. These are major ones that I actually interacted with and should do them. Get. So the thing is that the more you interact with this platform, the more your rank goes higher. That will be partner, ellipse, SQL. So there are a lot of guides on these things already. So follow me on X so that you can get this platform, get link to this platform and follow and just simply do what? Simply interact with this particular platform so to get points. You get. So the more you interact, the more you go higher, you get, and the more you go higher, the more it will be better for you. Okay, let's say I want to interact with this particular one, testnet multiplier. So what you do in this is actually, when you get to this platform, you stake any amount of USDC to get USDC. You stake any amount. So what you need to do, you're just kind of interact with the platforms you get. And the more you do that, the more you're going to get more interactions, more clicks. You understand? So let me do just one so that you guys can see. If you do this on this one, you're made to swap move to USDT, swap USDT to move, swap move to one or stuff like that. So let's see this site. Let me use this as an example. So I don't like using, I prefer using Chrome browser because that's where it's connected to my wallet. So I'll just do this platform to show you guys a guide. After this will be the last guide. Obviously follow me on Twitter, follow me on my Telegram, WhatsApp community so that you can see all the updates. So on this, I need to do first thing to connect your wallet. Once connect the wallet, the next thing is for you to do it and you can select move to USDT or move to any of these to that token you're seeing, right? Yes, into this, so to come this place, type the amount of move token that you want to swap. Since I'm using 0.05 because the total move token I have is just 2 more, so it will be unwise if I spend all of this. So I'm going to tap on swap to just swap it to this, and after that I'll swap all the clock to the move testnet token. Yes, as you can see, it's very pretty much easy. I'm going to tap on swap. So I'll just confirm this, as you can see. Then do this. So it's very much easy. So I'll slowly swap it, as you can see. So now I can now interchange this and swap all this token back to more. So as you guys can see, it's pretty much easy to interact with. So just like I said, follow me on Twitter or do my Telegram groups where I actually post links to platforms which you can interact with, so that you can actually stay positioned for this particular airdrop. So next time we're going to talk about how you can actually check your positions get on this particular airdrop. So now guys, we're going to track your monad activities. So make it your this website go to layer.upsearch. Don't worry, the link to this will be in the description box. You can basically use this website to track your positions to know if you're actually doing very well on this monad. So what we're doing is completely that say look up your wallet, or is to paste your monad wallet address and tap on check address. So this particular one is going to check your position, your interactions. Yes, okay, as you can see for me, and my leaderboard is I'm in 71,000. That's my leaderboard, and I've been active for the past 5 days, and my wallet is in 3.7%. I'm better than over this number of participants. You get. So with this, you can keep on to track if your interaction. I already made 92 interactions. Rather, people who are doing this every day, ranking up interactions and stay in position. So you can be using this to check your positions. You get. So guys, this is a basic method or a simple way on which you can actually do this. You get. So if you understand that Monad is a blockchain its own, and a lot of projects want to be listing on Monad. You get. And most of these particular projects, interact with them, you might also get a job. You might also get a job for just interacting with their ecosystem on a daily basis. So if you are doing this, the more you are doing this, the more you are getting back up, and the more position you are on this. So guys, find it helpful. Let me know that in the comment section and tell me what you think about it. Please do like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon. See my next video. Peace out.